As the world's leading classic Mercedes-Benz specialist, SL Shop provides a range of products and services to support classic owners. At the heart of our restoration centre is the Rolling Road. This facility, combined with our skills and experience, mean we are unique in offering tailored tuning to enable these sensational motor cars to perform at their very best. A Rolling Road setup can replicate issues that only present themselves in road driving conditions. An engine behaves very differently at higher RPM and under load compared to being static in the workshop. Whilst it is possible to gain horsepower and fuel economy, the primary reason for having a Rolling Road setup is vastly improved drivability. Our process first involves a simple engine health check and an assessment of the key fueling and ignition systems. From here, the car is warmed, secured to the rollers, and an initial reading is taken to obtain a base setting. If the technician is happy to proceed, adjustments and needle changes will ensure carburettor engines are performing their very best, whilst alterations to timing and fueling will improve the fuel injection cars. The results are often transformational. Our customers cite a full setup as their most valued SL Shop service.